What's up, friends? Goat Toaster 9, JJ Shankles here, back with a little bit of adventure time. We're at a park. So it's 2019, and I really wanted this year to get out more, get out and see local parks, check it out, sort of have a local place where I can go out and film outdoor things, test out mics like this. But I didn't really have something like that, and I kept procrastinating, trying to find something. And then finally I just got on Google Maps, started looking, and I found something actually fairly close by my house, within a couple miles. So it's a short drive over here, somewhere where I can be outside. It's a small outdoor nature loop. So right now I'm kind of testing out this new GoPro Hero 7 Black. So testing that out. Also always giving this new Deity D3 Pro a run for its money. It's windy, there's some interstate noises, there's a little creek. So let's get testing these things out. So I really like just being outside filming things because it gives you a lot of real life examples for testing things like a GoPro out. It's great for real life. When it's strapped to here, how does it work? How well does it stabilize when you're walking around and really getting actual footage? So I really like having that. And it's always just such a great place to go back to the same park. Now in Nashville, I've wanted this ever since I've moved here. Having that same place where you know how to come back to, you know the routes, you know all the trails really well. And so when you're testing out a new camera gear, new camera equipment, maybe a new technique you want to use, you're always just going back to that regular thing, and you're not figuring out a new location, figuring out where to park, all these other things that you have to do with a new location, you get to just do with your new gear. And then when you know your gear, then you can go to new locations. When traveling, when adventuring, when maybe doing a new gig, it's always a lot easier with that. Real downside to vlogging on the Nikon Z6, especially with this 24-70 f4 lens, is that right where my hand is holding the grip is right where the focus ring is, and if you bump it a little bit, it will get you out of focus. The autofocus will turn on, it'll go to, I think I have it on single point, so it switches to single point, locks on that focus, and it won't change it. So small downsides there. So I'm also testing out with the GoPro 7. It has a hyperlapse, so it will take pictures as you walk and loop them together and to make sort of a sped up walking video. It also applies its warp stabilizer on there. The GoPro Hero 7 Black has the regular warp stabilizer. The Hero 8 that just came out has warp stabilized too, but I went for this one because I got a great deal on it used, and that's kind of how I roll. I feel like I'm coming out, testing out a lot of different things. This is just a simple vlog, and I want to do more of these vlogs of just coming out and trying out things, telling you guys how it works, how I learn, how I grow throughout it. I will continue to do official full reviews of certain items, and once I really nail down a thing, I think I will do some tutorials to step through the exact steps to how to do it once I get good at it. But of this learning and kind of growing, and maybe you want to come along to learn and grow on them. So I think these vlogs would be great for that. I also think it'd be great for me to just get back into the content creation. If no one watches these vlogs, if it gets me creating something every single day, I think that's important. That's something I want to continue on in 2020. And something that kind of came and went in different seasons of 2019 while this channel's been growing, and I really want to just keep powering through to 2020 because I have certain goals for 2020. I'd love to get this channel up to 1,000 subscribers. It's well on its way, and I think it definitely can reach there, but I do have to keep this momentum of just creating every day and growing every day. So I hope you'll come along for the journey. Maybe we can learn something along the way. For now, hopefully I can show you a clip of enjoying this hyperlapse if this works. Hope you have an amazing day, friends. Goat Toaster out. I also feel like part of this will be a good arm workout holding the Z6. I definitely give props to the vloggers. I know sometimes when I get tired, it just starts getting lower. It's a much less flattering angle forward, or a little higher. It's definitely a better angle for vlogging, but it is what it is, and I think I'll definitely work these biceps.